ask me if I look on our message them, come and see the message and don't give a blood clot. Don't even do this, not even do. Not even do that. Next. Look here. Watch out. I'll be a one-word response, Mickey R. Be a one-word response, Mickey R. Okay, next. You like her? Watch here. What she said, what she said, obviously, there is something about you that I really like you. That I really like. I will talk to you later. I'm going to get some sleep and say, all right. I did not even reply to the next two messages. But just reply to the one and she shall go sleep. The baby. You ignore her straight through. Thank you very much. Me ignore her straight through. So now come to think about it. Only listen to me. Only hear me out. So we should come on live today and talk, say, I dated them. I talk and I say, me like her, me want to do things with her, and me want to eat her knock and someone want to suck her. Wanna believe? Based on the dialogue we made up on Instagram, do you guys believe? Wanna still believe her? Exactly. You know how embarrassing it is to see it all over social media? No, sir, never did, never will. Me? I never eat me never eat a ass from me ban. Me suck pussy right through. Me eat pussy right through. Me chew pancreas right through. But me never yam na ass. Never. Never. Put a pussy by my face. Me demolish it and blood clot. Me not ask Christ about that. But a ass? Oh, blood clot.